Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on technical and gaming news. Please watch the video till the end. The link of the app is given in the description, and I am also telling you world largest mining site. Sign up and get a 500 gigahertz of free mining. Also link given in the description. Just press on the link given in the description. Your default browser will open. See friends, in this website you will see a download button. Just press on that. Just wait a few seconds, the app will be automatically downloading. Press on download button. That's it. I am not like to download this app once again. I am already installed this app. Just sign up via using Facebook only to get a reward bonus. This app is not available in Play Store. Link of the app is given in the description. After download and install, please sign up via Facebook account to get a cash bonus of 11 rupees. You can play this game by real money, and you can also play via virtual coins. Just press on real money. Say friends, I have 5074 rupees in my wallet bonus, and I can withdraw 80 rupees to my Paytm account. Say friends, 8 rupees can be deducted for the bank transfer charge. Let us transfer to my Paytm account. Transaction is successful. Let's see in Paytm app. See friends, the amount has been deducted. I will show you in Paytm app. This is my Paytm account. See friends, I have 72 rupees in my Paytm wallet. See friends, I received 72 rupees from Stickpool Private Limited. So it is 100% successfully transferred to my Paytm wallet. See friends, withdrawal has been successfully credited to my Paytm account. This is the best app to earn a Paytm amount by playing a 8-ball pool game. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on technical and gaming.